let's make kare kare, oxtail, and tripe thick peanut sauce. Okay. Kare kare is a slow-cooked stew in a delicious thick peanut sauce. For some, it has a subtle taste, traditionally unsalted. That is why it is best served with bagoong alamang or shrimp paste. First, we have to tenderize the meat by boiling into 3 liters of water and simmer for 3.5 hours until the meat becomes tender, and add more water if needed to make sure you have at least 2 cups for the sauce. And of course, we need annatto seeds, extract, and peanut butter, and grind rice. Some people use glutinous rice, but during this season, it's hard to go into the market and buy glutinous rice, so plain rice will do the trick. And the authentic dish of kare kare, it has banana heart or puso ng saging. We need to immerse the banana heart into a bowl of water with salt to remove the soft, bitter taste and to avoid discoloration. That's why other people don't have banana blossom. It's hard to maintain a good texture of it. And of course, you need eggplant. Slice it according to your preferred shape. I like it brown, so I slice it slanted. And of course, it is important in this dish to be thick in preparing the peanut sauce. So it is a must that you have a ground rice. And of course, you need to saute the meat. Press the garlic and chop, and of course the onion. I include tomatoes whenever I saute. Okay. Other people use other part of the meat, like pork hock or feet, beef chunk, beef brisket, calf feet, mashed, seafood, veggies, or chicken. Kapampangan's kare kare taste still lingering in my mind. That's why after so many years, I never cook kare kare because my daughter has allergic in peanuts. I use 2 kinds or 2 brands of peanut butter. The old time, they use peanut and grind it, but this season it's hard to go into the market, as I said a while ago. So I used the locally brand Lily's peanut butter, which is creamier and sweet, and the imported one is SKIPPY, crunchy and a little bit salty. So whatever brand of peanut butter you have in your kitchen, you can use it. So this is my own version, but it's still almost the same as Kapampangan style kare kare. And the best kare kare I've ever tasted in my entire life and that is still lingering in my mind and palate is from the house of Mayor and First Lady Tumang of Mexico, Pampanga. That was more than a decade ago. And also from my cousin's house, which is which at Lubao, Pampanga, that was 2017. So, hinahanap-hanap ko yung lasa na yon. Only the best kare-kare for sophisticated palates that this dish I made. Okay, let's saute the oxtail and the beef tripe. And add a little bit of ground pepper. This is you can add now the chunky or the crunchy peanut butter and the smoother one, which is locally made and creamy, sweet and creamy, and the one is salty. So that's why I put 2 tablespoons of muscovado sugar to add a little bit sweeter. And add the beef stock and also water so that the peanut butter will dissolve. The beef stock I use is from the pre-boiled oxtail and beef tripe. Then cover it, let it simmer. Then after simmering, make it sure to stir it because sometimes the peanut butter will stick on the bottom of the casserole. And now you can add the rice flour or the grind rice. This is for thickening the sauce. I want the kare kare which is more thick sauce and a lot of peanut butter sauce. As I said, I add 2 tablespoons of muscovado brown sugar and some other people use asuete oil. They cook in a little amount of oil, the annatto seeds or asuete, but this dish is too oily already. That's why I use hot water in annatto seeds and strain it in a strainer to remove the annatto seeds and just pour the liquids to add colors. Then let it simmer, cover it again, and now add the banana blossom or banana heart. This is my favorite vegetables in kare kare. You can add more annatto seeds extra to add more color on it. Oh my god, it started to become thick sauce. Let it simmer and then add later on the eggplant and add more beef stock. If you think that almost dry out, becomes too much thick, and then just keep on stirring, keep an eye on it, avoid sticking the sauce at the bottom of the casserole. Almost ready. You can add now the eggplants. You can add also string beans, but I don't like string beans, that's why I omit that. And the last part is you can add the pechay or the bokchoy. I add a little bit of salt Himalayan salt. That's why it's not too salty. Yummy! For those peanut butter lovers, this is the best dish for you. In Philippines, every fiestas in any town, kare kare dish is a must serve in the table. And of course, with the perfect partner of shrimp paste or bagoong alamang. Yummy! Dinner is served or lunch is served. Kare kare, oxtail, and beef tripe in a thick peanut sauce. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it, and comment down below if you try this dish. And this is the best kare kare I've ever tasted. Again, after so many years, after 3 years, I think. This is the last shrimp paste I made. I will just put down the link that I made the Thai rice bagoong, Thai fried rice bagoong. This is the leftover, and just reheat it. And now this is really yummy. Kare kare Pampanga style oxtail and tripe in a thick peanut sauce. Thank you. God bless. Take care.